Alright, in this video I'm just going to show you how to scale a real estate blog with AI SEO. So I'm using the URL. So here I'm just going to come here and come into the feeds under the blog automation, and here click on create feed. And once I click on create feed, click on set up a keyword, and here I will go and add the competitor website. So let's just say, let me find out some competitor website. Okay, this is realestate.com.au. So let me just go here and click on add competitor, and target country is United States. Seed keywords, let me just go here and add some seed keywords. Sell land, buy land. All right, my website is just gonna be, so let's just put it this way, and then real estate. Click on create feed. Okay, click on create feed. I can also add up to 3 competitors. Now once I click on create feed, it just gathers keywords from the competitor website and from your website, and it just combines and finds the good keyword. Every week this feed will be refreshed with the new keywords will be added, and this many credits will be charged per successful refresh. So let me just go here and stop this because I think I'm less with the keywords. But yeah, idea is this: it will find keywords just like this. So what you're going to do is go into the blog automation, click on campaigns, click on run campaign. Once you click on run campaign, click on go to configurations, and here you can select the feed and run an automation. Now what it does is it simply automates every single thing. So it automates finding good keywords and writes blogs, writes metadata, and publishes to WordPress, and including it writes a good SEO optimized content, right? So this is how we do it.